Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Viper and I got something special for you guys. I've been super excited about this. I've been waiting for something like this to come out, but finally, I found the hack for it. Thanks to Voland Reality. Shout out to that guy for showing me this hack. So listen, just watch, stay tuned to the end. This is gonna be a great one. And do all the YouTube stuff, like, subscribe, and let's get on with it. I always want to work in VR, but my job computer is locked down. They can't let you install anything. I can't even install a Bluetooth mouse. It's locked down, trust me. So I always have to rely on the pass-through to get me to look at my screen, and you know how that can be. Now I can have my computer in VR. Better yet, you can have anything that has an HDMI output in VR with this small hack. Let me just show you some footage of what I'm talking about. Check it out. Listen, you in VR. All right, I'm inside the headset right now. And what I wanted to show you guys in the headset is how this works. This is the USB camera app that I sideloaded. And it's playing my PC. I got it directly connected to my headset through a capture card, and it's plugged directly into my laptop through the HDMI port. And this is what I love, because technically I can never have my work computer inside my headset because of all the things they got in place to lock down this computer. But now I can work in VR like I always wanted to. And also I can use remote display too as a second PC. So I have two PCs in my headset. So I can work on one PC over here. This is my personal computer. Then I can work on my job computer also while looking at YouTube. Everything is in here that I want. And the great thing about this setup is that I can plug anything into that has an HDMI output. I can put this directly into my PlayStation and play my PlayStation through here. I can put it in my Nintendo Switch. I can put this into my Xbox, even though we have Game Pass, but I can have a direct link to it and it all just works. Okay, this is how this is gonna work. I'm gonna show y'all how I start the app. So this right here says USB camera. I sideloaded this. Click this. It shows up here. I want to use my YouTube. Click the browser. This is my second window. And then if I want to add another PC, and that's my third window. That's how you do it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna need this program. It's called USB Camera Pro, right? You sideload it using SideQuest, right? Once you sideload that, you're going to need this thing right here. It is a HDMI capture, right? HDMI to USB-C. You're gonna need this one. I got this one because this one actually has a charging port, because this thing sucks power, right? So it's gonna have to be plugged up too. You know, if you don't plug it up, you're gonna get maybe an hour and 10 minutes. But once it's plugged up, boom, it's good. You're gonna plug this into your headset using the USB-C port, right? Boom, just like that. Then with this right here, you're gonna plug in your HDMI, anything you want. Plug in anything you want right here. And then boom, that's it. Then you're gonna start up the program, and there you have it. You're going to have whatever you want inside your Quest. This is a game changer for me. I worked all day in VR today. Had another movie playing over here, had some other stuff playing over here. This is what I wanted to do for a while now. This hack is a game changer. I'm telling you guys. So thanks for watching. do all the YouTube stuff, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.